Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the smooth motion on this device. Simply go to your settings, scroll down, tap on the option display. Then here you can see the option motion smoothness. Tap on this one. To enable smooth motion, you have to select the option adaptive. Here you can see get smoother animation and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. If you select the standard, then you can see get longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate by up to 60 Hz. So to enable smooth motion, you need to select the option adaptive. The refresh rate is up to 120 Hz. So simply in this way we can enable the smooth motion on this device. Smooth motion increases the screen refresh rate for smoother scrolling and animation. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.